Hello viewers, how are you? I hope you are really well by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am also fine today. Dear learners, I have come again in front of you with a very important class for class 9 and class 10. Dear learners, in the previous time, I have delivered many lectures for your kind consideration, and many classes are given by me for your easy understanding. You may watch and you may get this class if you follow and if you watch the YouTube of Ananda Multimedia School and College. So dear learners, today I have come again to you with a very important class, and today's topic is phrase and its kinds. Phrase and its kinds. Okay? This class which I have selected for today is only for especially 9 and 10. So my dear viewers, you have to be careful and you have to be mindful to my lecture, and you must write with me which I have written on the board. Okay? Let's start, dear learners. First of all, I would like to tell you that the topics again for your remembrance: phrase and its kinds. Okay? Phrase and its classification. Okay? First of all, you have to know what is phrase. Dear learners, I have already written on the board for your easy understanding its definition. Phrase. The phrase is a group of words. The phrase is a group of words, not a single word. That means the phrase is a group of words which has no subject and predicate and acts as parts of speech. Okay? This is the definition of phrase. Again I say, the phrase is a group of words which has no subject and predicate, rather, and acts as parts of speech. Okay? This is the definition of phrase. Okay? I hope you have understood. There are kinds. How many kinds of phrase are there? Dear learners, there are basically and mainly there are eight kinds of phrase mainly. How many kinds of phrase? Mainly there are 8 kinds of phrase are there, such as number 1, noun phrase; number 2, adjective phrase; number 3, verb oblique or verbal phrase; number 4, adverbial phrase; number 5, prepositional phrase; number 6, conjunctional phrase; and 7, interjectional phrase; 8, infinitive phrase. There are 8 kinds of phrase basically, and some grammarians have mentioned another phrase, and that is participle phrase. Okay? At the end of my lecture, I will discuss in a brief participle phrase. Okay? Again, I say there are 8 kinds of phrase mainly, such as noun phrase, adjective phrase, verbal phrase, adverbial phrase, prepositional phrase, conjunctional phrase, interjectional phrase, infinitive phrase, and another is participle phrase. Okay? I have already said the definition and the classification of phrase. Okay? Now I will discuss with examples. My dear learners, again I see this. You have to write with me if you understand my lecture easily with example, because you have to write with me with an example. Okay? First of all, I will discuss noun phrase. Okay? Noun phrase. Phrase. Noun phrase. What is noun phrase? The phrase which acts in the sentence as noun. This is called noun phrase. That means the phrase which acts in the sentence as noun. The phrase which acts in the sentence as noun, then it is called noun phrase. Okay? Again I say, noun phrase, the phrase which acts in the sentence as a phrase, that means noun phrase, then it is called noun phrase. Okay? Example. Definition I will say, and you may write, and I will write only example. Noun phrase acts. Noun phrase acts as a noun. As a noun. That means noun phrase will act. Noun phrase will act as a noun in the sentence. Okay? Example, acts as a noun. Noun phrase. Number 1. You have to know, first of all, what is noun. Then you have to know noun phrase. Noun is one kind of anything names. Okay? Swimming in the river. In the river is a good habit. Okay? Noun phrase is swimming in the river. My dear learners, at the beginning of my lecture, I have said already, phrase is a group of words, not a single word. That means phrase is a group of words. Okay? B number. The book is on the table. Noun phrase is the book. Swimming in the river is a good habit. Here, swimming in the river is a phrase. That means it's noun phrase. Okay? Second sentence I have written already on the board. You can see the book is on the table. The book is a noun phrase. Okay? And third number example, the blue sky looks very nice. The blue sky is phrase, noun phrase. Okay? NP, noun phrase. The book is on the table. The book is here, noun phrase. The blue sky looks very nice. Here, the blue sky is noun phrase. Okay? That means noun phrase is a phrase which acts in the sentence as noun. Then it is called noun phrase. And I have written already 3 examples on the board. Number 1, swimming in the river is a good habit. That means swimming in the river is a phrase. The book is on the table. Here, the book is noun phrase. And last 3 number examples is that I have written on the board. The blue sky is on the table. Here, the blue sky is noun phrase. That means, my dear students, look at the board. And there, swimming in the river, the book, and the blue sky, every part of the sentence acts as a noun phrase. Okay? This is why it is noun phrase. Okay? Next, I will discuss adjective phrase. Number 2, adjective phrase. My dear learners, adjective phrase acts as an adjective. Okay? It will act as an adjective. Okay? Adjective phrase acts as an adjective. Okay? Adjective phrase, the phrase which acts in the sentence, the phrase which acts in the sentence as an adjective, then it is called adjective phrase. Okay? The phrase which acts in the sentence as adjective, then it is called adjective phrase. Okay? Let's write examples. You have to know, first of all, what is adjective, and then you have to know what is adjective phrase. Adjective is a word which expresses defect, quality, quantity, number, and condition. Then adjective phrase is a phrase which acts as an adjective in the sentence. And phrase means a group of words. You have to follow these rules. A number example, he is a man of noble principles. He is a man of noble. He is a man of noble principles. Of noble. This is adjective phrase. Okay. This is he is a man of noble principles. Here, of noble principles acts as an adjective, so it is called adjective phrase. Okay. Number B. I saw a woman with black eyes. I saw a woman with black eyes. With black eyes is adjective phrase. Okay. I saw a woman with black eyes. This is with black eyes is adjective phrase. Okay. Number 3 and C number. The boy is weak in math. Weak in math is adjective phrase. Okay. Because these parts of the sentence acts in the sentence as an adjective. Okay. This is adjective phrase. The phrase which acts in the sentence as an adjective, then it is called adjective phrase. Okay. He is a man of noble principles. Here, of noble principle is a phrase, adjective phrase, because it acts as an adjective in the sentence. And I saw a woman with black eyes. With black eyes here, he acts as an adjective, so it is called adjective phrase. The boy is weak. The boy is weak in math. Weak in math acts as an adjective, so it is called adjective phrase. Okay. Dear learners, now I will discuss verbal phrase. That means verb phrase. Number 3, verb phrase. Acts as a verb. Okay. You have to remember this point strongly. Acts as a verb. What is verb? Verb is a word which indicates action. Verb is a word which indicates action. Okay. The phrase which acts in the sentence as verb, then it is called verbal or verb phrase. Okay. That means the word always acts in the sentence as verb, then it will be called verb phrase. Okay. Let's write examples. Examples. Number A. He has done it. Has done it is verb phrase. Okay. Has done it is verb phrase. Number B. It has been raining. It has been raining. It has been raining is a verb phrase. And I was writing a letter. Was writing a letter is verb phrase. Okay. Number B, has been raining, and number C, was writing a letter. Every sentence, the underlined word acts as verb, so it is called verb phrase. Okay. The phrase which acts in the sentence as verb, then it is called verb phrase. Okay. Next, the topic is adjective phrase. Adverbial phrase. Adverb in the sentence acts as an adverb in the sentence. Okay. Example you may write. The phrase which acts in the sentence as adverb. The phrase which acts in the sentence as adverb, then it will be called adverbial phrase. Okay. The phrase which acts in the sentence as an adverb, then it will be called adverbial phrase. Okay. Adverbial phrase, or that means adverb phrase. Okay. Examples. Number A. He comes to our house now and then. This is adverbial phrase. He comes to our house now and then. He comes to our house now and then. In the sentence, now and then acts in the sentence as adverb. So it will be called, so it is called adverbial phrase. Okay. They read at night. They read at night. Adverbial phrase, at night. Okay. They read at night. Here At night is adverbial phrase. Okay? The children ran here and the children ran, the children ran here and there. The children ran here and there. In the sentence, the children ran here and there. In this sentence, here and there is adverbial phrase. Okay? The phrase which acts in the sentence as adverb, then it will be called adverbial phrase. Okay? He comes to our house now and then. Now and then is adverbial phrase. They read at night. At night is adverbial phrase. The children ran or here and there. In this sentence, here and there is adverbial phrase. Okay? Next topic is prepositional phrase. Dear learners, it acts as a preposition in the sentence. It acts as a preposition in the sentence. Okay? Dear learners, you have to remember all time the definition of every phrases. Okay? The phrase which acts in the sentence as preposition, then it is called prepositional phrase. The phrase which acts in the sentence as preposition in the sentence, then it is called prepositional phrase. Okay? Phrase, always you have to remember, my dear learners, phrase means a group of words. Phrase means a group of words. Prepositional phrase. Number A, he will suffer in future. In future is prepositional phrase. Okay? PP. In future, he will suffer in future. This is a prepositional phrase. Okay? Stay on the platform. On the platform is prepositional phrase. Okay? Stay on the platform. Stay on the platform. This stay on the platform is prepositional phrase. Okay? Because in future and on the platform acts in the sentence as a preposition. Okay? Number C, put the book is on the table. Put the book is on the table. On the table is prepositional phrase. Okay? That means the phrase which acts in the sentence as preposition, then it is called prepositional phrase. Okay? In future, in this sentence, prepositional phrase. On the platform, in this sentence, it is prepositional phrase. Is on the table. On the table is prepositional phrase. Okay? My dear learners, now the topic is conjunctional phrase. Conjunctional phrase. Okay? Conjunctional phrase acts as a conjunction. Okay? The phrase which acts in the sentence as conjunction, then it is called conjunctional phrase. Okay? Again I say, the phrase which acts in the sentence as conjunction, then it is called conjunctional phrase. Okay? This is very easy. Conjunctional phrase. Examples. Number A, the man came to me as soon as possible. As soon as is the man came to me as soon as possible is conjunctional phrase. Okay? Number B, not only he but also his sister went there. This is not only and but also is prepositional conjunctional phrase. Okay? Not only but also is not only he but also his sister went there is conjunctional phrase. Okay? Number C, reached the station, left. This no sooner had is conjunctional phrase. No sooner had and then. No sooner had, this is conjunctional phrase. No sooner had the man reached the station, Then no sooner had the man reached the station, then the train left. Okay, this is preposition conjunctional phrase. Dear learners, next interjectional phrase. Dear learners, the phrase which acts in the sentence as interjection, then it will be called interjectional phrase. Okay, acts as an interjection. I have already discussed noun phrase, adjective phrase, verb phrase, adverbial phrase, prepositional phrase, conjunctional phrase, and 7. This is interjectional phrase. Okay, I have already discussed noun phrase, verbal phrase, noun phrase, adjective phrase, verbal phrase, adverbial phrase, prepositional phrase, conjunctional phrase, and number 7, interjectional phrase. Dear learners, it also acts in the sentence as interjection. Okay, example. Always it acts in the sentence as an example, as an interjection. Okay, Fai, he is a liar. Okay, here Fai is interjectional phrase. Number B, oh my God, what are you saying? What are you saying? Number 3, what a pity, he is ruined. What a pity, he is. Okay, oh my God, and what a pity is interjectional phrase. Okay, dear learners, Fai, he is a liar, and it is interjectional phrase. Oh my God, what are you saying? This is what are you? Oh my God, it is interjectional phrase. And what a pity, he is ruined. Here, what a pity is interjectional phrase. Okay, dear learners, and last topic of today is infinitive phrase. Okay, infinitive phrase. This is the last topic of today. Last point, infinitive phrase. Infinitive phrase act in the sentence as an infinitive in the sentence. Okay, infinitive in the sentence. Okay, the phrase which acts in the sentence as infinitive, then it is called infinitive phrase. Okay, examples. The boy failed to do the sum. Okay, to do the sum is infinitive phrase. Okay, to do the sum is infinitive phrase. The boy failed to do the sum. To do. Dear learners, examples, infinitive phrase. The boy failed to do the sum. It is infinitive phrase because the to do the sum acts in this sentence as infinitive, so it is called infinitive phrase. Okay, B number. I am happy to see you. I am happy to see you in this sentence. To see you is infinitive phrase because it acts in the sentence as infinitive. Okay, and last example. They have decided to leave. They have decided to leave the place. Okay, here to leave the place is infinitive phrase. Okay, my dear learners, this is the last topic of today. Dear learners, I have discussed already today the phrase and its classification. Okay, number 1, noun phrase, adverbial phrase, verbal phrase, prepositional phrase, conjunctional phrase, interjectional phrase, infinitive phrase. Okay, I have already discussed 8 kind of phrase: noun phrase, adjective phrase, verbal phrase, adverbial phrase, prepositional phrase, conjunctional phrase, interjectional phrase, and last is infinitive phrase. Okay, dear learners, I hope you have really understood my lecture today, and you must practice. Last, our some grammarian also mentioned that there are another phrase is there, such as participle phrase. Okay, participle phrase is very easy to know because participle is a word which acts in the sentence as verb plus adjective, then it will be called participle. Okay, The participle is of three types. Participle is of three types. Number 1, present participle. Number 2, past participle. Number 3, perfect participle. Okay. Participle phrase is a phrase which acts in the sentence. Participle, what is participle? Participle is a word which acts in the sentence as verb plus adjective in a body, then it will be called participle. Okay. Participle is of three types. Number 1, present participle. Number 2, past participle. Number 3, perfect participle. Okay. Present participle, verb plus ing. That means swimming the river is a good habit. This is present participle. Okay. Don't get down from the running bus. This is present participle. Swimming the river is present participle. Okay. And I am running in the field. I am running is present participle. Okay. Past participle is that I have finished the work. This is finished past participle. Okay. I found the chair broken. I found the chair broken. Broken is past participle. Okay. Rice is eaten by me. Rice is eaten by me. Here eaten is past participle. Okay. And last is perfect participle. Perfect participle is formed with having plus be plus 3, bar plus 3. That means verb having plus B3 is equal to perfect participle, such as having done the work, I went out. Okay. Having eaten rice, I went to sleep. Okay. Having done the work, I went to sleep. This is present participle, this is past participle and perfect participle. My dear learners, in this way, I am going to finish my lecture today. I hope you have understood my lecture and you must write with me. You have to practice more and more, because practice is a must to learn English more and more. Okay. So my dear learners, I again advise you that you have to practice more and more, and you make more and more examples to learn English more. Okay. Thank you so much. May Allah bless you. Learn English and win the world. Thank you.